Welcome to the Inappropriate Advice Therapy Center. Here is your inept therapist for today. Let's dive right in. First things first, I see you've been having trouble with stress lately. My advice? Just embrace it. Stress is a part of life, like pizza with pineapple on it. Instead of trying to reduce it, why not make it your friend? Name it Petunia and go on adventures together. Sure, it might lead to some bizarre situations, but at least it will be memorable, right? Next, I see you're having relationship issues. Well, my friend, the key to a successful relationship is, drumroll, having a pet python. That's right, get a snake. It'll keep your partner on their toes and remind them that relationships are about survival of the fittest. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Oh, we just fed Pablo, our pet python, yesterday. Want to join us? Now, I see you're struggling with self-esteem. Well, my dear, the world doesn't need another confident person. Embrace your insecurities and let them guide you. Remember, the grass is always browner on the other side, so why bother watering your own? Lastly, I see you're having trouble sleeping. Instead of counting sheep, why not count your problems instead? That way, you'll be reminded of all the things you have to look forward to in your life. Plus, it's a great way to procrastinate solving them. I hope these invaluable pieces of advice have helped you, my friend. Remember, life is a roller coaster ride, and the best way to enjoy it is to close your eyes, hold on tight, and hope for the best. See you in our next session. Pops Bubblegum.